Namaskar and welcome everyone. This is the chapter logo text commands and arithmetic operators. So today our part is arithmetic operators. So first we have to know what is the meaning of arithmetic. So the term arithmetic means the mathematics, and the arithmetic operators, these are the mathematical operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these four operators we have in our logo commands or logo arithmetic operators. First is addition. So addition operator is to find the sum of two or more operands or numbers. We use plus symbol to perform the addition operator. Now here you can see how it is work. So first you can put the numbers with the addition sign, or you can put the print command, and here you also get the result you can see in this video. And next is subtraction. So subtraction operator is used to perform subtraction or calculate the difference between the given numbers. We use the hyphen symbol to perform the subtraction operation. Here is the part of the subtraction, like here you can put the numbers with the subtraction symbol, or you can put the print command before giving the numbers. You can got also the negative number, or you can also calculate the decimal values like this one. So all the arithmetic or mathematical calculations like in this function we can do by the arithmetic operators. Now this is multiplication. So multiplication operator is used to find the product of the given numbers or the operands, and we use the star symbol to perform the multiplication operations. Here the steps how to do it. So you can put the numbers or the star symbol, but you got the error message like the others one. But if you wish to print it, then you can put print command and then put the numbers, and after that you can also calculate the decimal values. Like here we are just trying to do it. That's 9 into 5.4, and our result will be this 48.6. Now the last operator is division. Division operator is used to produce the divide result of two numbers. We use slash symbol to perform the division operation. Here we just find the quotient of the two numbers. Here is the steps how we can do it. First you can put the numbers with the division sign, then you got the value but with the error message. You can print the numbers also, like print, then put the values, then you got only the result. And you can calculate the decimal values also, like 9 divided by 4, 2.25. Now there are some special points. By using the arithmetic operations we can also draw some shapes. Like suppose here I am going to draw a rectangular shape. So here I am just going to put FD 50 plus 20, that is FD 70 actually, then RD 45 into 2, that means RT 90, then FD 100 divided by 2, that is FD 50, then RT 180 minus 90, that is 90, then FD 100 plus minus 30, that is 70, then RT 100 RT 30 plus 60, then it is got 90, and the last step is FD 100 divided by 2, that is FD 50. So by that way you can also draw the shapes. And for displaying the results in the commanded window, instead of print command you can also use the show command. So you just go through this portion, and I hope you can understand. That is print if 5 plus 6, that is also given 11, then show 5 plus 6, that is also given 11, then print 89 minus 76, that is given 13, then show 89 minus 76, it is also given 13, then call print command. 6 into 9, that is given 54. Then we call show command, that is 3 into 90, that is given 270. Print 60 divided by 4, this is give us 15, and show 15 divided by 9, this is given 1.66666667. So by this way you can also calculate the arithmetic commands, or you can display the result by using print and show command.